How to enable dark mode on WhatsApp. Open up WhatsApp and then click on the three dots on your top right. Click on it and then go to settings. On your settings, scroll down and go to chats. From chats, under display settings, you will see there's a theme option. Click on the theme option. So here you're going to choose the dark theme to enable the dark theme. So what you have to do is simply tap on the dark option and then click on OK, and that will enable the dark theme. As you can see, your WhatsApp is now on dark mode, so you have enabled the dark mode. So that's how you do it. Suppose if you're using iPhone, on iPhone, what you're going to do, you're going to enable the dark mode under your settings. So go to settings on your iPhone and then go to display and brightness settings and then tap on these dark mode to enable the dark mode. So when you enable the dark mode, that will also enable the dark mode on your WhatsApp, and that's how you do that if you're having an iPhone. And I hope this video was helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.